Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix can't allow Facebook to access photos on iPhone. Solution number 1, select all photos for Facebook. Firstly, go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on Facebook. Make sure that the camera is turned on. Now click on photos. Select all photos, then go back. Now click on privacy under settings app. Click on photos. Click on Facebook and select all photos. Solution number 2, check screen time setting. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on screen time. On the next page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Click on photos. Select all changes. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.